the Road to Restoration Clinic is helping people that don't even know the status of their driver's license, help them find out the status, what's going on, what's outstanding, and then they can plot a course back to getting a full driver's license.
The problem we had is that it was just so expensive to get auto insurance, and as a result you had a lot of people that were perfectly law-abiding members of the community, but literally they became criminals just because they were too poor to be able to afford to drive.
So DTE is extremely committed to diversity, equity, and inclusion. And when we think about the 200,000 residents that are held back, this is a game changer for those residents. There is work coming into this state all day long. And the ability to remove just this one barrier just opens the door for so many of these residents.
We rarely have opportunities where the government and the community can work together and collaborate on solving real-world problems like not having a driver's license. And what's great is that people are getting a straight answer of what is going to get them their driver's license back. We can be the solution when we work together.
Statewide, 38% of our households struggle to make ends meet. No single sector is going to solve it, and it really does take these partnerships between the public, the private, and the nonprofit to understand what are the barriers and to band together and to create resources like this to help families overcome those barriers.
And then actually I think this will benefit DTE in the community in the long run. 200,000 more people with a valid license able to work and move throughout the community is good for all of us.